Welcome back to Trouble Gamers, guys. We're about to talk to this little question mark person.
Person we don't know yet who's hiding an Amazon box upside down.
It is an Amazon box. Why would you choose? Did you say this came out in 2007, didn't you?
2007.
So what the hell?
I don't know, man.
It's just what we would
Could
read.
this be copyright?
No, it's upside down.
Are we
Or it's
sponsored
not.
by Amazon now? Do they have to pay us now?
No.
Oh.
I mean, at worst, it's just free advertising.
Yeah.
Like people don't know who Amazon is.
Because It's the best way to learn about your foes, isn't it?
Place in Brazil.
Oh, they're just teaching espionage abilities such as this. I can't
How the
fail.
fuck did I get gum in my hair? What the fuck?
What did you do last night?
Party
Oh.
hard.
Interior decorations.
So is she looking around with like, I'm listening to what she's saying?
You should probably put peanut butter in your hair.
Can you get me some?
Oh,
It's not that much.
It's perhaps some kind of black and white animal. Ha! Panda. The ownership of which violates international travel.
Oh, Jesus.
Perhaps the most delicious apples this side of the Mer de Blanc. Perhaps one of those books father says I'm too young to read. I sell porn as a living. Most of it is pictures of me.
How old are you? I guess it's a different world.
Well, be quiet, whoever you are. I think this girl just forgot why she was here.
Yes, monologuing.
Bitch, you're in my shop in a strange box, not buying shit. What the hell?
Talking to yourself. Loudly.
So she's gonna be my new business partner? Does that mean I have to pay $10,000 each week?
Probably more than that. Now, anyway. You did say it was ever increasing.
10!
Well.
Rivaloo. Rivaloo.
Yeah, love.
Big Bash! We sell a lot of pornos.
That is the proper name for it.
and double-ended dildos.
Oh god, I hope
Those things
they
are weird.
both female. I'm
Oh,
sure
God.
at some point something will develop somewhere.
I have a weird question about the double-ended dildo. Is it like, does it have a stopgap at one point? Like in the
I
middle?
don't know.
No, so it's
I
just
mean,
like,
I'm sure some might.
so basically it's just a long-ass dick.
Yeah.
So why don't you just call it that?
With students.
Effectively a dick on each side.
I mean, I don't know, like, I feel like there should be a stopgap.
Nope.
Because
Because it'll make it easier to hold, too, you know?
I suppose. But, you know.
And if you want to, and if you're like having some fun, you could just like use that little like handle to just like force it into the other person.
Oh god.
I mean, they're not thinking about that at the time.
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, but you're actually thinking about
Star
it.
Wars. The one that Darth Maul had. He's not even looking at me.
It's like, don't ever bring up Darth Maul. How dare you? Darth Maul was a hero who died a Sith.
Not with flaccid lights.
no, he didn't die, Sith. He died, what is it, Rogue?
He was brought back to life though.
Well, he didn't die. He basically got turned into a cyborg and then ran away.
Yeah.
From his master, who was a whole fucking Palpatine dude. So yeah,
You read the series as a like the book series, right?
I watched the whole what is it?
Clone Wars.
Clone Wars, yeah, which is canon.
Well, because like for me, like I read the whole. Because after watching episode 2, started watching the Lucasfilm's like actual series, right? Like the book series. I think it was like what 12 volumes. I really like the Jedi Knight Academy though, with the twin kids,
Oh, that one?
which kind of surprised me because like I don't know if this is a spoiler for a lot of people, so just spoiler alert. But like I really thought that Kylo Ren and what's the heroine's name again? Rey. Like for like the whole time I'm like, so like they're the twins, right? Like that was like my whole thought process. And like the twins, right? Like they just got separated at birth instead of being raised together, like in the actual series. But I don't know if like that's gonna like if they're gonna go that direction. If they're twins, that'd be cool. I mean, it'll be like with the whole canon like kind of sequence. I know that the new director for Star Wars said that that the whole point of Star Wars is that everything repeats by itself, or like so like the fact that there would be like a twin, like a twin thing, like happening was gonna be like an actual thing in the next series. You know, like twins, brother and sister again, and one of them would be like powerful in the Force, and the other one would be like raising kids.
It's gonna be so hard watching these movies without Carrie Fisher.
I know. That's why they're gonna use her silhouette the whole time.
Yeah, CG.
Did you see that on the
Yeah,
on the? No, was it CG?
Rogue One, yeah, she was CG.
Oh,
It was like a British actress, and then just kind of like CG her Carrie Fisher's face on it.
because I saw the commercial for the new one, right? And I just saw like the back of her head with her hair, and I'm like, okay, that's all they're gonna do. Like I wouldn't mind that though. Like if they just never showed her face, they just showed like shadows and like back for like
Showing
body.
that she's there, but
yeah, showing that she was there still, like she still exists,
Yeah.
that she was part of the Force.
that would give her an element of coolness.
All right, so I wasn't paying attention throughout the whole dialogue, and I'm pretty sure it was very important to the story. But so we're gonna do something. We're just gonna go back to the Adventures deal. We're gonna hire this fucker.
No other choice.
So we have no other choice. Actually, let me sell all the crap I have that I don't need.
Why is the
I
slime?
can't use the furnace yet, right?
I don't know. Save your edibles though.
Actually, I was gonna put the honey on the shop. I really want to sell that crap. So I'm guessing since I can't use, the furnace yet, I shouldn't keep items in the meantime, right?
Yeah. Well, except for consumables. And keep the honey.
Let's go. Oh, okay.
You actually have to eat it.
All right, so man, that's long. So we did actually did floor 6 to 10. So we're gonna redo that again. There was no items in the bag, so it doesn't matter. Let's go. How do I attack? I already forgot.
I think the dungeon gives you a temporary relationship.
Well, cause like I don't use that constantly, you know.
But attacking? Oh yeah, I guess in the dialogue moments you don't have to.
So I don't think about it. Oh gosh.
I guess I haven't got the muscle memory yet.
Are the floors always gonna be the same?
Relatively, probably.
So I'm not gonna speed through it this time because I need to get items.
Chances are those are very specific.
Are they throwing rocks at me? No one saw that.
Murdered them mercilessly.
Oh,
I hate that trap so much.
You said you put it back at the beginning.
Yeah.
But you're like right next to where you were.
I hate this bunny.
It doesn't do anything, it doesn't die.
No, doesn't hurt you much.
I was about to run for it. I'm like, oh.
You forgot.
You got the
Okay.
mushroom.
What?
You got the mushroom. Right? Mushroom, drop the mushroom. Little floor. Little lower. There you go.
Stop calling me. Stop it.
Stalker. God. Creepy.
Well, you got another one of the staffs. I think it was like what, 2100?
The staff? No, the staff was like just 1300.
You sure?
It was the same as the longsword, like 1200 or something.
Either way, it's a lot.
Yeah, but like it's affordable compared to the honey.
Yeah,
The honey's just like ridiculously priced.
because it's apparently really rare.
Oh!
That would be rock. That would also be rock. And that one, you know, running into rocks is counterintuitive to living.
No, he's just trying to catch him with his face.
Try to catch them all, man.
All commands.
I want to be the very best.
I'm officially 27 now.
Congratulations.
Yay.
You actually go by the hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. I see. See, I'm not the one who thought that. Like, really? Is that really that important? Yeah.
Well, like, I mean, the hour actually does have significance in like the lunar calendar, right?
Yeah, something like that.
In the lunar and Chinese calendar, like it has like significance. Like I looked it up once for myself, and I think like just depending on like where when I was born, like the hour, like it depends. Like it gives you like what your natural affinity is
Yeah, like,
to the world.
uh-huh.
Like for me, it would be wood, right? So what's yours?
I'm actually a metal horse.
Really?
Yes.
That sounds pretty metal.
DJ, he's a snake.
You just a snake?
Yeah.
He's strong.
Explains his beady eyes, don't
My soulless, beady eyes.
You're not a ginger. I mean, actually, no, I guess your hair does turn red. Yeah, you're a ginger. You don't have the freckles, though.
Kakashi's a, I mean, Dr. Downer over here, he's a, I think he's a fire horse.
But I'll take that, too.
I'm just a tree.
Well, you're a tree and you're a wooden animal.
I'm also rabbit.
Depending on the year you were born.
Oh, you mean the? Well, I don't really care about like the year.
Care
I
about
mean,
the minute.
no, I don't care much about the animal, I guess. Right? I care more about like the elements that I am.
Oh, nice.
That is new.
It is new.
But yeah, it's always been a thing with my grandmother and how we know each other.
It's not bad,
Based
fortunately.
on what year, the day, the hour, and all that stuff.
That's too much to pay attention to.
Yeah.
Well, like as so I used to like to meditate. I still do it every now and then, but only during like specific days, right? And I found out like after knowing like my affinity, it became easier to meditate just using that affinity as a visual,
Okay.
right?
It gives you something to focus on.
Yeah, I mean it's just and it's kind of good like, and it's kind of cool how like you can just focus your meditation on just revolving around that. See, for me, like when I meditate, I visualize a seed sprouting, right? And like once it grows into a tree, like the fruits are the worlds and like the leaves are space.
Interesting.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
See, when I meditate, I either get so relaxed that I end up falling asleep. Or I just can't keep my focus.
Well, like that's also why I really wanted to go to that trip because during the meteor shower, that's one of the things I wanted to do. Right? I wanted to meditate like under the meteor shower.
It was fun.
But now I don't get to go.
I'm sorry.
Well, I mean, you can go, just be alone.
I want to go by myself.
I know. No one wants to go by themselves.
I mean, you could take some woodsy just to peyote.
Just to peyote.
Have a real out of body experience.
Does that shit actually like make you experience your fears?
I
It
don't
makes
know
you
if
throw
that
up a lot.
necessarily.
It makes you throw up and shit your soul out.
Because like if it actually made you face your fears, like I don't know, what am I afraid of?
Probably being alone in the desert. For starters.
No, I could do that.
Alright, so this leftover roll is gonna just either go bad or throw it away.
Oh, I was gonna eat it after this episode.
Oh, well, that was last episode that you said that, so
That's
15
because you
minutes.
had some in mind.
give me your box.
Yeah, man, I can't remember right now.
You know these are gonna make you do stuff on your birthday.
I'm putting it away. You're not making her put it away.
No.
Alright, well, I will, here, put that back. CC1 stack.
Oh, I'm sorry, my leg just. Oh, what was I talking about? How I really hate that my trip was canceled.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna be complaining about that all day, by the way.
It's okay.
It depends.
We love you.
So remember, people, meditate. Well, like,
Meditate or masturbate.
meditate or masturbate.
Why
No.
or?
So I brought this up in like a previous episode of DJ that one of the things I like doing is reading novels. One of the genres that I really like reading is wuxia, right? Yeah, wuxia. It's a martial arts genre basically,
Oh.
but it's more about like attaining immortality through meditation, right? That was kind of cool.
You know, I think you're doing better when you're not paying attention.
Yeah, probably, so keep talking.
But why?
Because it's amusing and
Well,
you
I
get to
mean,
learn stuff.
Yeah,
Well,
now
I-
that you're paying attention.
Well, I'm
you're starting to
sliding,
talk.
so that I have an excuse for that. See, I wish this thing would turn off already.
Arch nemesis. True.
Mushroom. Iron armor. Ooh.
Oh.
How much is that?
You have a pause button though.
I do?
Nah.
What's pause?
Pause for clips.
Yeah, what he said. What'd you say?
Pause for clips.
Why does that look like a face?
What?
That little blotch on the floor. Kind of looks like a face. Like a
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, that's a little mouth right under the nose.
Oh, it kind of does. That's cute. Maybe they did that on purpose.
It's a puddle puppy.
It's a puddle puppy.
Oh,
Just liquidize the puppy. Please don't do that at home, kids. Please don't. I don't want to be
Sulfuric
responsible.
acid is not a toy.
Sulfuric acid is not a toy.
there's microwaves, ovens, blenders, really any kitchen appliance.
So, I'm lying. There's this woman.
Who liquidizes puppies?
There's this woman
Uh-huh.
who pretended to be blind for 28 years because she didn't want to greet people.
Uh-huh.
We're after my own.
What the fuck?
28 years.
Uh-huh.
She pretended to be blind, just not to not talk to people, not have to greet them, have people avoid her. Like,
That's a huge case of like introvert, right?
Yeah, it's a pretty big case of either introversion or asocialness. Just don't want to know people.
I don't blame her. Some people are fucking stupid.
Most people are fucking stupid.
Oh, I thought I timed that right.
So you're-
I don't think people are stupid,
You
right?
should heal.
No, okay, wait.
You should heal.
I take that back. People are stupid. My argument that I have with a lot of people is that
You
like,
should heal so you can pick up items too.
yeah. So my argument with a lot of people is that like people are stupid, right? That's for sure fact.
Oh
But-
shit.
But
you eat.
it's because it was a plus two.
Oh.
But that a person is smart, right? That's an argument I always have with people. They're like, people are stupid, like for sure. They are completely assholes. But when oh, shark fin!
Was that like you search for shit? Well,
Yes.
it's plus one.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Collective ooze.
Okay, so people.
So people are stupid, but I think a person is smart, right?
I think they have the capability to be smart. They apply themselves. They usually don't know. Or they apply themselves very.
No, it's just that like when you're in a mob mentality kind of thing, like people just tend to like dumb down.
Yeah.
It's the cheapest thing I got.
They try to collectively think, which thinking isn't very strong in the first place.
That's it, right?
I also like when people are
What?
assholes and they take advantage of situations with people.
Yeah, especially where we work, where that's what they constantly do.
Yeah. Where's the restroom?
Reginald Drisby. Oh, his name's Reginald. That's cute. Oh yeah, that was a
fuck
thing.
you up though if you go close to him. So.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Red mushroom. Yeah, it's purple.
Badger.
So we already fought this guy, for those of you watching. But we found out that if you let him eat purple mushrooms, you do 10 damage instead of, well, 20 actually now since I've been leveling
Instead
up.
of one.
Instead of 1 damage when you hit him. So remember, eat mushrooms, especially purple ones. They make you weak. Wait, is that the story I was
Get
reading?
other people to eat the mushrooms that you want to destroy. Don't actually do that.
Take advantage of the situation.
Take advantage of the situation when you give people purple mushrooms. Just be like, here, eat this. And then just take advantage of the situation, whatever the situation is.
Yeah.
Whatever it presents to you as, you know?
Also, children, don't eat your own products.
Don't eat your own products. Yeah, that's good. That's a good piece of advice. That's a good.
That's Scarface.
That's a good. That's a good life lesson, actually. Sorry, I had to cough, so I got hit. Ugh. That's the only way I can get hit. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense.
Nope.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm tearing now. I have something stuck in my throat. Ah, pain.
Uses.
I'm done. All right, I'm gonna end the episode. I need to cough.
Try not
It's
to
really,
die,
it's
please.
really cute how he dies, even though it's really fucked up.
Ooh, you actually got an item this time.
Oh shit. Yeah, I can't pick it up.
Well, it's probably a good item.
Next time.
It's an ingredient.
Next time.
Here, guys.